So, the Super Affiliate System 3.0, is it real, scam, or not? I got my review. Stay tuned for my results and learn more. Coming up.
Holy moly, I like this. I had to upgrade my internet just so it could keep up with it. Anyway, also I had to beef up my security, not because of hackers, because of my kids. Keep taking my phone and downloading crap. So I like this hand scan. Access granted? Yes. Let's fix this music. I can't work without it. By the way, make sure you follow me on Facebook and IG. You definitely gotta sub my channel on YouTube. I'm Dad Stark. See it over there?
Hey everyone, my name is Ronnie. This is my channel at Dad Starts, because I'm his dad who started making money online. This is my review of the Super Affiliate System 3.0 and what happened when I use it, my honest review. Please make sure you like, share, and comment, and spread the word if you like my page and my content. I really appreciate it. Now let's get into it. Now, a lot of newbie affiliate marketers, one being myself in the beginning, think that all you have to do is find a product you like, start promoting it, and you'll get paid. It's that simple. I found out the hard way it's not. The fact is this, if it's really that easy, then everybody would be doing it, right? Now, to be honest, it really is easy. It's not hard. A kid can do it. What separates everybody from the sharks and the little kitties is the work. One of the hard things of that work is getting people to click your link. In other words, traffic.
Traffic is golden. In fact, you can start a business
just giving other people traffic or leads by itself. And that's exactly what I like about the Super Affiliate System 3.0. It teaches you how to use paid traffic, something I was really weak at in the beginning. Now don't get me wrong, you don't have to use paid traffic. You can do this by organic traffic. If you're a beast like that, in the beginning I was a beast like that too. But I will tell you this and be honest and transparent, it takes a lot of work and it will take a long time. So I did my own research on John Crestani, who is the creator and founder of the Super Affiliate System. I tracked him down, went to his page, and I liked him. The guy knows what he's talking about. At some point, you'll come to find that no matter what type of system or program or opportunity you find, you're also going to find a review about it where somebody says it's a scam. Everybody doesn't like somebody else's stuff, so you'll never find the perfect system. It comes down to this. Pick one and work it hard. So I chose John's, and after a few weeks, these are my results. Check them out.